How to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. So if you want to recover your Facebook password without email and phone number, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser and search for recover Facebook account. Once you've searched, you need to go with the first option, which is recover your Facebook account. If you can't log in, it will take you to the Facebook Help Center. Under the Facebook Help Center, you need to scroll down and you need to tap on account has been hacked. Scroll down again. Go with recover your Facebook account. If you can't access to your account email address or mobile phone number, tap on www.hacked. Select any option that you're comfortable with. Go with continue and go with get started. It might take a few seconds, so just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. Now tap on continue, and here you need to go and enter your password and secure your account, and after that you'll be logged into your account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.